Assalamu alaikum. Now let's start interface. So interface is a phase in which physical changes are not visible in chromosome, but this time cell is metabolically most active. Why it is most active? Because it prepares itself for the further cell division. So for the cell division, whatever the material is needed, it formed during this stage only. So this is categorized into three subphases, that is G1, S and the G2 phase. So let's start with the G1 or the first growth phase. So this is the first phase of the growth, or you can say the first gap before the DNA replication. So during this phase, some of the metabolic activities going on, like RNA and protein synthesis occur and cell are increased due to increase in the volume of cytoplasm. Means the cytoplasm just increase in amount, and then RNA and DNA also increased. So because of that, the cell size increases, and mitochondria and chloroplast, they also divide. So mitochondria in both plant and animal cells, they are present, so they divide in both the cells. And then in chloroplast, it is a special feature of the plant cell only, means they are present only in plant cells, so they divide in plant cells. So that division is started in this phase, and the cell is ready for DNA synthesis. So here now, after this all synthesis, now the DNA synthesis also, for that DNA synthesis also cell is ready. Now the cell maybe enter into the GO phase or the S phase. GO phase is a stage or a phase of the cell division where the cell has stopped dividing and has left the cell cycle. This is the time when cell is not taking part in division, and this just a time that shows a resting state. And after that, either cell enter into the S or the synthesis phase. The synthesis phase is actually the phase of DNA replication. So this S phase is actually the time for the DNA replication, which is needed for the chromosome duplication at the time of cell division. So this duplication occurs during this synthesis phase. Then the third phase is G2 or the second growth phase, and it is the second gap phase after DNA replication, and it is shorter phase in which RNA and protein necessary for cell division continue to be synthesized. Means already they are synthesized in G1 phase, but whatever shortage will be there, that will be continue in this phase, and in this way they just provide whatever the material which is needed for the cell division. So in this way, the interface is categorized into three subphases.